Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we cover the new topic and the latest topic, that is Kohaku, the Ethereum privacy made simple. So how that work and what is the Kohaku, we all think learning in this video. So first we start with the first topic is our why privacy matters and why the Kohaku introduced. So ever sent money on Ethereum and then remember everyone can literally see my balance, my trades, my strategy, all things. It's like a posting your bank statement on a billboard. Totally normal, right? No. Ethereum is amazing, but the privacy there sucks. That's why Ethereum researchers, including Vitalik, have been building something called Kohaku. He even called the last mile of privacy of Ethereum. So today I'm breaking down it in simple way, no cryptographer math, just about the Kohaku, how that work and why it matters. So in this point is like anyone can see your balance. Yes, without Kohaku, anyone can see your balance. Anyone track your transaction, traders get front run. Companies sell analytics of your wallet also. Even your strategies leak. Staking, lending, borrowing strategies also leak. So first topic is what is Kohaku? Kohaku is a Japanese word. Amber is like a trapping secret safely inside. It's Ethereum a toolbox for privacy, letting you keep wallet activity private without losing usability. Ethereum today is fully transparent. Anyone can track your wallet transactions. Kohaku changes that to baking privacy into your wallet layer. Kohaku is basically Ethereum new privacy toolbox or a framework, not a mixer, not a new chain or new blockchain, not a some shady hiding trick. Kohaku is a framework that let you choose what stays private. Your transaction, your wallet balance, your network metadata, even your identity proofs. Right now, Ethereum is fully transparent. So anyone can track you in a second. Kohaku flips that and by adding at the wallet layer, not at the protocol layer. It includes some other tools also. The wallet level privacy toolbox and lets you choose what stays private and what stays public. That choose by you, not by the any network and not by the any wallet. So Ethereum today is by transparent wallet tracking, front-running bots, airdrop behavior leaks, data harvesting. People try hacks like multiple time wallets or a mixer. Like if you have a multiple signature wallet, then all the signature wallet that also the show of the that public address of that wallets. So with this, that also anybody cannot see this. To make it like private. Kohaku privacy at the wallet layer, like a modular, flexible, selective, and ZK powered base. Kohaku uses the ZK power, works with the normal wallets and contract also. Then Kohaku privacy components. Why the first privacy we want in the Kohaku or in Ethereum? Like privacy isn't like paranoia, it's a survival. Without privacy, hackers can profile you, companies can sell your data, regulators can watch every move, bots can copy trade or front run you. Airdrops leak all your behaviors. Most people try band-aids, new wallet, mixers, random workarounds, but nothing fixes like a root problem. Kohaku does this. It's redesigned the wallet layer so the DeFi traders can protect their strategies. DAO member can vote privately. Normal user can send ETH without being tracked or see by anything. And user can still reveal proofs when necessary. It's a privacy that's optional, complement, and built-in, not bold on. So there are the Kohaku's privacy components that all are the five is the core component of Kohaku. The Railgun privacy pools, OZK shielded address, wallet privacy tools, and the ZK recovery and optional mixing layer. So our first point is Railgun privacy pools. The Railgun privacy pool is the heart of the system. Like you deposit ETH or tokens into encrypted privacy pools. Inside it and transfer are private. So sender hidden, receiver hidden, amount hidden. All things are hidden. History also hidden. So zero knowledge proof validate that anything without exposing anything. With using sealed ETH and ARC tokens, move funds privately inside the pool and like ZK proofs that everything valid without revealing information. And that work with shield address or shield ETH address is work in the docs like a railgun. We can see this here. Here that is all the developer guide of the railgun developer guide. You can like know how to work that and how to set up a network setup and all the things that are here already mentioned, the private wallet encryption, how that encrypted, how the railgun wallets work, and the view only wallets, how that work. The whole thing that you can see here. So this is the you deposit ETH or tokens encrypted in a privacy pools, and inside and transfer are private. So no, all things are hidden without showing details. ZK proof also verify that. Then the second is the OZK shielded address, your private entry point. These are the private entry point linked to your account. OZK is giving the one address. OZK is the one shielded address that is made for the one-time address. Like you can also say that is a one-time address. After your transaction, that address is gone like that. So OZK address is created, and this is your private entry point. Breaks link between wallet and pool. Appears like sending to a normal contract. Like these private entry points link to your wallet. Your shielded funds, they enter your shielded fund, they enter the privacy pool. From outside, it just look like a deposit to the smart contract. Then the third one is wallet privacy tools. Kohaku level wallets get multiple accounts and isolate activity in that all accounts. So like multiple accounts like DeFi, NFT, governance, all are isolated. And they have a private RPC also. No more Infura, Alchemy, tracking your queries. So hide the network metadata also. Light clients like Helios. So your wallet verifies blockchain locally. With this all three things, you disclose one of the biggest leaks, network level privacy. And the fourth one is ZK recovery and identity proofs. If you lose your wallet, you can prove ownership without exposing seed phrase, balances, and full transaction history. Huge for the both security and compliance, like recovery your wallet without seed and any exposure of your contract or any wallet. Prove identity that privately and no balance and transaction history also revealed. And the fifth one is mixing layer. So what is happened in this layer? This is the optional tornado style mixing, but is a future upgrade, not yet now. If you want to focus on unlinkable withdrawals, this is a future upgrade and stays modular. Then this is the process of how Kohaku works step by step. Like in the Kohaku, you have to first initial setup is like a start with the create shielded wallet with OZK address, and that is shielded phase deposit into the pool. OZK address deposit into the pool, and the pool verify your entry. Then you go to the private transfer, whatever you have to done, or if you send or receive anything of transfer, then you go to private transfer. That verify your transfer complete. If you receive any amount or ETH, so verify your transfer complete. Then unshielded phase is going on. Withdraw to public wallet. And the final state is here, and the withdraw to public wallet is also with the ZK based recovery and light client verification. This is the private transfer additional feature that also connect by this. Now, if you are confused with this, so we can understand with one example. This is a fun example, like Alice want to send Bob $1,000, $1,000 ETH into privately. Without Kohaku, everyone sees. But with Kohaku, how that work? So step one is the Bob sets the ETH address. That is a wallet that create it here, and that's create secret key pair. That is a hidden. And this make a fake one-time address linked to the Bob but invisible to others. Like fake one address is linked to the Bob, but anyone cannot visible that address. Only Bob can see that. Then step two, like Bob publishes the state key, and the Bob's public state key, it doesn't publicly link to the Bob wallet. Now the Alice gets Bob's secret key hint, and her wallet make a random one-time password like the state key. and we can say that password is like a 0xyz type of passwords. So that's expire, that password and that key is expire after use. So Alice sent 1,000 to the Bob Street wallet. So Bob Street wallet is here, so that accepted Street wallet. And street wallet, if we like suppose to like 0xyz is the street wallet address, then everyone sees Alice with the mystery address, not anyone linked with that Bob address. And Bob grabs it safely. Bob scans the network and its street key, street address receive the fund. And then after they receive the street key fund, they transfer to the Bob's real wallet. After Bob spent and claimed the 1,000 in the street address into the real wallet, after that street key is expire, that vanish, that is a one-time address, so no trail back to the Bob. Said that how that money comes to the Bob and all the things, all data are vanished because the Bob's key is vanished. And that is after that you cannot search by this to the Bob address. So in this also the one of the extra layer like privacy pool. If needed, funds go into a pool like a railgun tool in Kohaku, mixes the other using math proofs, zero knowledge proofs, draw to new user and the super private. Then after the one, how shield your wallet. So Alice uses a Kohaku enabled wallet and it creates the OZK address. Address created automatically. You deposit ETH into the privacy pool and sender and amount data is hidden. In the street key pair means what is the street key pair? Like having a secret identity that only you know. Then we can also like say about the one-time address. The one-time address is a temporary mailbox that disappear after use. Then also there is a master key, a master private key, your personal password that controls everything. That is your master private key. So that is the difference between the street key pair, one-time address, and the master private key. Then the second is a private transfer inside a pool. Transactions inside the pool are invisible. Only balance update. Perfect for traders, DAOs, everyone users. She sells the ETH into the railgun, and this chain sees a deposit. No sender, no amount linkable. ZK proof confirms the deposit is legit or not. Then the private transfer happen though inside the pool. Alice sends a zero point 0.1 ETH to Bob. So blockchain sees nothing, only Bob knows. Then unsealed to public wallet. So Bob's can withdraw the into fresh wallet, and the funds are unlinkable to Alice. He can show if he can want to show, then he can show the ZK proof for a clean funds without revealing history, like withdraw to a fresh wallet and breaks into the sender. Who is the sender? That anybody cannot understand. Like optional compliance, the friendly proof. If they want to like give the friendly proof, then ZK proof clean funds. ZK proof also show that clean funds without revealing information. So that kind of Kohaku privacy flows working. The sender is Alice, the recipient is the Bob. The Bobs generate the state key pair and the register master key. That the transaction process is going on in the Kohaku system. That request transfer to Bob address. That one address is created. That address, the generate a random one-time address using electric cryptography. And the provide temporary address. The temporary address provide to the Alice, and Alice send the fund to the temporary address, then fund receive the temporary address, then after notify the incoming funds to the Bob address. So use master key to claim funds. This master key he uses for claim funds and transfer control of his fund on. So here's the sum of the Kohaku versus a tornado case. What is the difference between them? The feature is like transaction privacy. In the tornado case is a full privacy, and the Kohaku you can choose like selective privacy. You can choose what to reveal. And the compliance like a tornado in low and the Kohaku in high. ZK proofs help with the audit also. Wallet integration is the low or minimal, and the in the Kohaku that is strong or high, native to the wallet. UX here, easy to use, how to the understand by the peoples like a tornado case, a medium, moderate, and the Kohaku is easy to understand, the modular and the user friendly also. So Kohaku isn't trying to replace Tornado. It's building a flexible, compliant privacy layer for everyone, traders, DAO, regular users. So reality check. What are the things running in this currently? This Kohaku phase is still early and experimental. Expect this slow syncs and bugs, wallet integrations coming, privacy not perfect, timing leaks still exist. And 2026 roadmap is like private DeFi, quantum safe keys, and private DAO voting. Let's keep it is real. Like Kohaku is new, announced in 2025, reveal at a DevCon, still in the early phase, and that expect the testnet, some bugs, some slow syncs, incomplete feature, wallet integration rolling out gradually. So privacy isn't perfect either. Timing analysis still exists, but the biggest privacy upgrade Ethereum has ever seen. So 2026 roadmap is like a private DeFi hooks. They include the private DeFi hooks, quantum resistance key, private DAO voting, full wallet adoption, 47 plus 47 plus researcher, and the researchers are working full time on this. Ethereum is beating big on the privacy. So what is privacy is equal to freedom. What you think about the privacy and the freedom? So what is the freedom like? What you choose? You are choosing what you want to reveal or what you don't want to reveal. Keep your strategies private for the DeFi or some investments. Protect your wallet from surveillance. If anyone hacker or anything like see by your wallet, because your wallet have so much ETH or like tokens, somebody is like surveillance, so that also protect from your wallet. Kohaku gives the Ethereum it's a missing piece. So Kohaku basically says like transparency is great, but privacy matters. You should be able to send crypto safely, trade without being copied, prove you are legit without exposing the entire past. Vitalik vision is the simple. Privacy is equal to freedom. So I want to like give how can the we can track like wallets. If you go in the Etherscan, that I put one transaction, the latest transaction that happened, and if I go there from address and to address both I can see, and if you go in this address, then you can see currently they have how much fund, how much fund and all the details, how much transaction they do. We can see in and out all the details from this address. So we cannot know that what person that belongs to that address, but we can see that address, how much they have money inside, how much transaction they do. So we can what we say in the Kohago, like anyone can track your balance, your wallet, or your anything, any strategies of the investment or anything. So with the Kohaku, you have to choose if you want to anyone to see this thing to your wallet have or not, or anyone to see this transaction or not. Choose by your freedom. So what about you? Ever had a transaction track you wish wasn't that track you? And drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. So here's our topic. Kohaku is complete. So thanks for watching. We meet in the next video.